This is our 2025 new model dishwasher, right? It has completely phased out outdated manual water filling mechanisms. That old design was very inconvenient. You had to pour 3 cups of water each time. That's all in the past now. Our new technology is super advanced. Simply install it like this. Just fill this reservoir once, and it cleans all dishes thoroughly. First feature done. Now the second, we've added direct water line connection. Here's how it works. Let me show you. The water inlet hose installs easily. Just plug it in like this. Same for the other end. Just connect and go. The drain hose works similarly. Plug and play simple. This machine has powerful cleaning. Stubborn rice grains, no pre-rinsing needed. Everything washes down, including stuck-on sauces. See for yourself. Yes, no scrubbing required. All debris goes straight to drain. Plus huge capacity, check this. Fits 8 dinner plates, 8 bowls, 8 saucers, and 8 dessert plates. 4 mugs here, utensil rack above, separate spoon compartment, even handles large soup ladles. Now let's talk drying function. After washing completes, it automatically switches to efficient drying cycle. You can select dry-only mode. For complete interior drying, post-drying inspection, 0 water spots anywhere, full moisture elimination. Bonus feature, fruit cleanse. With this mode, gently wash fruits and veggies. Let's demo the fruit cleaning mode.